Welcome to Pure Production Flow, where we explore the fascinating journey of modern agriculture and industrial food processing techniques today. The journey begins in lush tropical orchards, where the massive jackfruit hangs heavily from the ancient trees, waiting for harvest. Experienced farmers carefully select perfect fruits, ensuring they have reached optimal maturity before cutting them down from the branches. Once harvested, these heavy fruits are gathered and transported out of the orchard, ready to begin their long industrial journey. The massive trucks arrive at the facility, carrying tons of fresh jackfruit, ready to undergo a complete industrial transformation process. At the receiving dock, the raw materials are unloaded efficiently, creating a massive inventory that will feed the processing lines continuously. Quality control begins immediately as workers inspect every single fruit, removing any that do not meet the strict size standards. The selected fruits are placed onto the heavy-duty conveyor belts, moving steadily toward the first stage of the cleaning system. Powerful high-pressure water jets blast away surface dirt and soil, ensuring the outer skin is perfectly clean before processing begins. This thorough washing process is crucial, stripping away field debris and revealing the vibrant green color of the fresh fruit. The fruits then pass through an ozone aeration tank, a critical step that sterilizes the surface and eliminates potential bacteria. Emerging from the bath, the clean fruits are drained and transported to the preparation area, ready for the difficult cutting phase. We now enter the dry preparation zone, where skilled workers stand ready to tackle the tough outer shell of the jackfruit. With sharp, specialized knives, workers make the initial incision, a task that requires both physical strength and precise manual dexterity. As the fruit is split open, the magnificent golden interior is revealed, showcasing the dense arrangement of sweet bulbs and fibers. To combat the incredibly sticky latex, workers frequently apply vegetable oil to their tools, ensuring smooth cuts without gumming up. The tough central core is carefully removed, which loosens the structure and makes it easier to access the valuable fruit bulbs. From above, we can see the synchronized rhythm of the production line, where each worker plays a specific role in processing. The delicate process of separating the bulbs begins, requiring a gentle touch to extract the fruit without damaging its texture. Once extracted, the golden bulbs are placed into sanitary stainless steel trays, completely separated from the waste rind and fibers. Waste management is efficient here, with rinds and fibers quickly transported away to be repurposed as organic fertilizer or animal feed. Back on the line, the attention to detail continues as workers meticulously remove any remaining small fibers attached to the bulbs. The cleaned bulbs travel along a dedicated conveyor belt, moving smoothly toward the next critical stage of seed removal processing. We now transition into a highly controlled environment where temperature and hygiene are strictly regulated to maintain the fruit's freshness. Using small precision tools, workers gently slit the side of each bulb to extract the large seed without tearing the flesh. The seeds are separated into their own collection chute, while the intact, seedless bulbs slide forward for further cleaning and refinement. Even after the seed is removed, the fruit retains its perfect shape and thick texture, a testament to the worker's skill. Visual inspection is constant, ensuring that any bulbs damaged during the extraction process are immediately removed from the premium line. The fruit enters a second, more gentle washing system, designed to dissolve and remove any microscopic traces of sticky latex. This water contains safe, food-grade biological agents that deep clean the fruit while helping to preserve its natural freshness. A final rinse with chilled, purified water helps to firm up the texture of the fruit, locking in its crispness. Powerful air blowers strip away excess moisture from the surface, preparing the fruit for the preservation phase without waterlogging. Before processing continues, the fruit passes through advanced scanners to detect and reject any foreign objects like metal or stones. Vibrating sorting machines automatically categorize the bulbs by size, ensuring uniformity for the final product packaging and cooking times. The facility utilizes state-of-the-art technology, minimizing human error and maximizing efficiency throughout every step of the production workflow. For our dried product line, The bulbs are arranged evenly onto large trays, ensuring maximum airflow around each individual piece. These trays are loaded onto trolleys and wheeled into massive vacuum drying chambers, capable of processing tons of fruit simultaneously. Inside, we utilize freeze-drying technology, where moisture is removed at low temperatures, preserving the fruit's structure and nutritional value. Through the observation port, we can see the fruit slowly transforming, concentrating its natural sugars while maintaining its vibrant color. Alternatively, for our fresh frozen line, the fruit enters an individual quick freezing tunnel to lock in freshness instantly. Liquid nitrogen blasts the fruit, freezing it so rapidly that large ice crystals cannot form, preserving the cellular structure. The result is perfectly frozen individual pieces that remain separate and free-flowing, never clumping together in the final package. Quality assurance technicians use precision instruments to verify the moisture content, ensuring the dried fruit meets exact crispness standards. Sensory testing is also conducted, where experts check the texture and snap of the dried chips to guarantee satisfaction. We now move to the sterile packaging hall, where high-speed automated machinery takes over to prepare the product for consumers. Multi-head weighers calculate the exact portion for each bag with incredible precision, ensuring every customer gets exactly what they paid for. Air suction opens the pre-printed bags just as the fruit drops, a perfectly timed dance of gravity and pneumatic engineering. Before sealing, food-grade nitrogen gas is flushed into the bag, displacing oxygen to keep the product crispy and fresh. The heat sealer creates an airtight bond, while laser printers simultaneously etch the production date and expiry code onto the package. The finished bags drop onto the final conveyor line, passing through one last metal detector to ensure absolute product safety. Robotic arms with suction cups gently lift the bags and arrange them into shipping cartons with geometric precision and speed. The cartons are automatically sealed with tape and labeled with shipping information, ready for distribution to markets around the world. Forklifts transport the stacked pallets into our massive temperature-controlled warehouse, where they await shipment to global retail partners. Let's take a moment to appreciate the final product, a perfect blend of natural sweetness and advanced preservation technology. Whether enjoyed fresh or dried, our processing ensures that the vibrant color and distinct tropical flavor remain completely intact. Hygiene is paramount, so at the end of every shift, the entire line undergoes a rigorous sanitation and cleaning protocol. Every surface is scrubbed and rinsed until it sparkles, ensuring that the factory is perfectly prepared for the next day. In our on-site laboratory, samples from every batch are retained and monitored to track quality over the product's shelf life. Data analysis confirms that our processing methods successfully retain the essential vitamins and minerals found in the raw fruit. From a simple fruit on a tree to a packaged product, this facility represents the pinnacle of modern food engineering. Ultimately, all this effort is for the consumer, delivering a healthy, delicious snack that brings joy to families everywhere. Let's recap the incredible transformation we have witnessed. A seamless flow of washing, cutting, separating, drying, and precision packaging. It all starts with the dedication of the farmers who nurture these trees for years to produce such magnificent fruit. The skill of the processing workers cannot be understated, as they navigate the difficult texture and sticky latex with ease. The integration of advanced thermal technology ensures that we can preserve this tropical treasure for months without using preservatives. And finally, the automated packaging guarantees that the product remains safe, hygienic, and fresh until it reaches your hands. As the delivery trucks depart, they carry not just food, but the result of countless hours of labor and innovation. Back in the orchard, the cycle continues, with new flowers blooming and small fruits forming, promising another harvest soon. Nature never stops, and neither does the demand for high-quality, sustainably processed tropical fruits in the global market. Factory managers take great pride in their operation, constantly seeking ways to improve efficiency and reduce waste in the process. We must not forget the strict hygiene protocols that govern every entry into the facility, ensuring a contaminant-free environment. Environmental responsibility is key, with advanced wastewater treatment systems ensuring that the factory minimizes its impact on the local ecosystem. By turning organic waste into fertilizer, the facility supports a circular economy, returning nutrients back to the soil. This organic compost is eventually returned to the orchards, nourishing the very trees that will provide next season's crop. From these sustainable roots, the product travels thousands of miles to sit proudly on supermarket shelves across different continents. Global consumers are increasingly seeking clean labels, and this product delivers with simple ingredients, just fruit and natural processing. Versatile and delicious, these dried fruit chips make an excellent addition to healthy breakfasts, desserts, or just as a snack. Beyond sweet snacks, the factory also processes young jackfruit, which is gaining popularity globally as a sustainable meat substitute. The canning line for young jackfruit operates with the same precision, preserving the texture for use in vegan savory recipes.
And the look on his face when
At
the
the shipping
supervisor walked
port,
in,
containers filled with
priceless.
these various jackfruit products begin their voyage across the oceans to distant markets.
As you can see on
This
the screen,
global
the
network
proper
connects
use
local
of personal
farmers to the
protective
world,
equipment is
creating
mandatory
economic
in all
opportunities
designated
and sharing
areas.
tropical flavors with everyone. Behind the machines are the people, a dedicated community of workers whose well-being is essential to the factory's success. Continuous training programs ensure that every team member is up to date on the latest safety standards and operational techniques. Preventative maintenance is performed regularly by skilled engineers to keep the complex machinery running smoothly without unexpected downtime. Day after day, the facility operates like a well-oiled machine, driven by a commitment to quality and consistency. The jackfruit itself is a marvel of nature, and preserving its essence requires a perfect balance of science and art. Even the fibrous parts of the fruit are utilized, processed into different snack varieties to ensure nothing edible goes to waste. The seeds, often discarded, are boiled and packaged as a nutritious snack, rich in protein and reminiscent of chestnuts. From the sweet bulbs to the savory young fruit and nutritious seeds, the jackfruit offers an incredible variety of products. As the sun sets over the orchards, we are reminded of the vital connection between the land and our industrial food systems. The hard work of the farmers lays the foundation for everything we have seen, a partnership that sustains rural communities. While the fields rest, the factory often continues its work, a beacon of productivity ensuring the world is fed. The conveyor belts keep moving, a symbol of the relentless flow of production that powers our modern food economy. With growing demand, the industry is poised for expansion, promising even more innovation in how we process this superfood. Future technologies like artificial intelligence will likely play an even bigger role, further refining quality control and efficiency. We may soon see automation extending into the orchards themselves, assisting farmers with the heavy lifting of harvest time. But for now, it is the skilled hands of these workers that make the difference, bridging the gap between nature and technology. At Pure Production Flow, we are committed to documenting these human stories and technical marvels that bring food to your table. Every crisp snap of a dried jackfruit chip tells a story of quality, safety, and a journey of thousands of miles. Every bite of fresh frozen fruit delivers the authentic taste of the tropics, preserved perfectly for your enjoyment anywhere. It is a harmonious blend of biological inspection and digital verification, creating a safety net that consumers can trust. The scale of operation is immense, yet the attention to detail remains focused on every single individual piece of fruit. As we conclude our tour, we leave with a deeper appreciation for the complexities involved in simple food processing. This facility stands as a testament to how industry can coexist with nature, transforming raw resources into valuable global commodities.
Here, try this
The
piece.
jackfruit remains
Wow,
the
that
star
is
of the
really
show,
sweet.
a resilient and generous fruit that sustains millions of
I like this
people
one better.
worldwide. From the factory floor to your family picnic, the journey of the jackfruit is one of care, precision, and passion. We hope this video has given you a new perspective on the snack you love and the people who make it. The production line never truly stops, but our journey through this facility has come to an end for today. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more industrial insights. Don't forget to check out our other videos where we explore the processing secrets of mangoes, durians, and other fruits. Thank you for watching Pure Production Flow. We bring the mesmerizing world of manufacturing directly to your screen every week. Stay curious, stay informed, and we will see you in the next episode of our industrial adventure. Goodbye for now.